Good evening, good evening, good evening. I did not want to interrupt the All-Star game, so I shot this video and did it behind the scenes, you know what I mean? Because I'm about to get into this game as well, but I ain't want to interrupt y'all, so I'm going to drop this at halftime, man. So salute to y'all, man. Everybody been tapping in with all of my social media pages. If not, make sure you guys head over to my Instagram. It is lit over there on Sundays, I promise you. Sundays are the best days, man. I give shout outs, showing love to the people, man. And you know what I mean? Shout out to people that's following me. A bunch of beautiful people, by the way. Just put that out there, right? So this is Sell Stocks Not Dope every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. I'm here to teach you some easy ways of making some money, man. Now listen, it was brought to my attention, to everybody's attention, that we about to go to war probably, right? So of course, me not want to be a victim of just them doing what they want to do. I'm a capitalist. I'm gonna make some money off of it. So let me show you how you gonna get paid off this. I have the top stocks you should buy if we go to war. Y'all ready? Before we get into that, please make sure you guys head over to my YouTube page, which is Dash Resource, as you can see right here. Hit this subscription and hit this notification bell because you want to make sure you see every single thing I post. I only post about money. I promise you, I'm not gonna waste your time. And look, you won't be the only person there. As you can see, we almost at 1,000, man. I gotta get there, man. Like I've been doing free stuff for so long. I do not mind helping more people. So let's push it, get to that 1,000, so I can finally get monetized. I start getting a little bit of, feel me? I get a little kickback on my end of the investment, right? So right now the stock is down. Nah, I'm saying we up. So I had already looked this up. So let's just go to where I got the information from. This is courtesy of investor.com, right? The best defense stocks for today and the future, right? So Boeing stock. The reason why I already knew Boeing stock would be a big one was because they actually produce engines that go inside of these aircrafts and stuff like that. Also, like one thing that I thought about is also this. Let's say they don't go with, you know what I mean? Let's say they give away airplanes rather than going to purchase new ones. They will have to, by proxy, purchase new ones just because they'll need those on hand just in case something else breaks out. So Boeing is another one. They produce the FA-18 Super Hornet. So they actually produce an actual aircraft. You feel me? So that, well, of course, aircraft, but one is actually engaged in war. So definitely look at the Boeing stock. So yeah, also a couple other ones will be. I didn't know that that United. Well, let's go down here because I'm going faster than information. Get this out the face. All right, here we go. Boeing. Okay, they also got other ones there. Boom, the Stingray. Northrop, NOC is the ticker for that one. As you can see, their shares dropped recently. So, but you see what they're producing. These are aircrafts and drones such as the Global Hawk. All these things we'll be needing just in case we go to war. So, you know, if we go into war, we might as well have, you know, money on our side of it. It's in our it's in our interest, our direct interest that we win this war, right? So instead of buying war bonds, back in the day they had war bonds, you actually can invest in the Air Force. Lockheed Martin is another good one. This one is a very pricey stock, but this one is one who's like high tech type war machines, no pun intended, right? Yeah, definitely look into that one, which is one that you should already have in your radar anyway. Raytheon Technology stock, which is another one, right? This right here is one that's doing like anti, you know what I'm saying, like anti-flight. You know what I'm saying? Like if they're trying to fly over certain areas, you can put these over there to protect from aircrafts coming in there, drones and everything like that. Another good stock, RTX, man. Let's keep it going. General Dynamics stock, all right? GD, what are GDs at now? A little hood joke. Look, so yeah, but literally, you know what I mean? These are things we should be thinking about, being capitalists, not victims. Let's keep it moving. And I think I have a couple more that's not here. You know, they start trying to get you just a clickbait. And let's look up some of these price points. Let's go to another one that I had on my list. Let's go to good old Google. Do your Googles. Hashtag do your Googles. All right, let's look up some of these stocks. AAR. Stock. See, okay, boom. So AAR stock right now is down. $43, man. $43 you could be in the game. Let's go to another one. AIRT. All these things. Look at this one. Somebody already looking at it, right? $26 and it's up right now for the day. Let's look like for the year. Now for the year, okay? But things can change when we go to war, okay? It's been pretty peaceful. Let's do another one. CVU stock. This right here is another defense stock here. I don't know why they call it CPI, but as you can see, they've recently changed whatever, but this is another arrow stock. So you're thinking about if you want to make money on both sides of the coin, you can invest in peace and war, okay? Lockheed Martin is another one. I got that one. Okay, let's look at Lockheed. So this one kind of pricey. You feel me? Like, get your income tax check for this one, all right? You know what I mean? But this right here is a really good stock. And it's up for the year. So down for the day, up for the year. Right where we want to buy them at, right? You know what I mean? So sticking to this strategy, man, it's going to be real good. Oh, another one. Let me see if I get this one. Let me see if no, not that one. Let's see if I'm trying to find the one. No. Give me one more second. Because I don't have a ticker for this one either, but let's see. I have the name of the actual. Let's see if they'll let us, let's see if we better get it that way. Boom, see that? Look and you shall find. Don't take no for an answer, y'all. This is the pattern they got. Let's go back. I'm trying to see. That's the name of their stock. What company makes it? And one bop. There we go. And one Abrams. General Dynamic Land. Okay, General Dynamic Land Systems. This is how you do your Googles, man. What was it again? General Dynamic Land Systems. Oh, yeah. Okay, so like that was a GD one. So this is what it is for the day. Let's look for the year. Up for the year and up for the day, okay? So these are stocks that, like I said, man, you got to find a way of being fluid in the market. That's why you got to keep some money on the side so you can be advantageous in these situations, man, where you can make some easy money based off you know what's going to happen. I remember when I think about stocks when it comes to what people are investing in. There's a picture, some rich, whatever color you could think of, the richest person you could think of sitting on the couch, and the news cycle is what he's throwing his money at. Man, this is Sell Stocks, Not Dope, every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m.-ish. Holla at your boy, man. T-Shirt King 24/7. Please, guys, hit me up, man. My book is free on Amazon. The second book is on the way. It's already published. Well, not published yet. I actually have someone critiquing not critiquing it. They're editing the book. You know what I mean? And after that is done, I will release that book, man. Thank y'all for all the love we've been getting, man. All the love we've been showing. I want to tell y'all I love y'all back, man. This is Sell Stocks Not Dope. Every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. Welcome to the cool table, baby. Like, share, and subscribe, man. Man, y'all see me on the Instagram showing out, man. Quit playing with me, man. @P Dashes.